I've been playing GemCraft Frostborn Wrath. It's a tower defense game that involves, well, you guessed it, gems. And I've actually beaten the game by now, but one thing I want to do is farm these talismans here. So I haven't looked at doing this before, but I've been reading up on what the meta is, and it's this field A1. It's right at the bottom of the game. This is the last level in the game. So we're going to go into it, and I'm going to see if I can figure out a method to collect talismans that's repeatable in AHK, and try to work backwards and write a bot for this. I'm not going to go through what the method is in this video, but I'm going to put a link in the description to this Steam community post, which I used to figure out my method. This video is supposed to be about the process of making the AutoHotkey script, so if you're following along with my work, then you should be able to kind of tweak this script to be how it should be for your particular level and your particular stats and situations. All right, I think it's time to write the bot. As usual, I'll always start with the reload key. We'll say pause this reload. Well, I guess we'll do tilde for testing. Why not? Return. Okay, I know when you beat a level, it centers it. So let's see if when I beat the level by ending it, where my cursor will be. So return to map. There it is. So see how it centers you? So we have Windows Spy up, 971577. We want to click on A1 to start. Click. And click Start Battle. Because you will assume you'll have all your stuff set up. And then wait. Sweep for loading. I guess this is where we start doing some image detection. Do I really want to do image detect though? Let's try just not doing it. So send A. So select the artifact or amplifier. And then we need to click on the 4 positions where amplifiers are. So let's say here, 533571, 420, 568. So these are the amplifier spots. We'll get our sleeps in later. This is obviously not going to work because you need a little bit of delay. So if I'm on amplifier, what happens if I hit T? It switches. Perfect. So I want to put one here. 226, 202. And now we need to make the cross. So 478, 567. We need to put in gems on these spots. So I'm going to say click here 4 times. Actually click 3. And then click here 9 times. 1838426. Okay, click, and then create gems. Actually, I think we can send, we can send numpad 4. So send numpad 4, loop 9. Make that a little cleaner. And then we need to click on all of the same amplifiers. So here are the towers we need to click on. So click on all of the towers, click on all of the amplifiers. And actually this guy we're going to save for later. This click is for my Wizard Hunter tower. So we'll leave that alone until like wave 10 or something. Okay, so now we've placed in the towers. Now we QQ, so Q, Q to speed. I really don't like what these numbers are becoming. So what if I say like amplifiers is, oh God, I don't remember my AHK. How do you push to an array? Okay, it is push. Amplifiers push We'll just copy all these numbers. You know, ideally, I would figure out what the grid is, and then parse it based off of where you click on the grid. I don't think we will, though. Okay, amplifiers, towers. Now I loop through the towers. I think that's right. Let's look it up again, because I'm not a genius who remembers every little thing in the universe. 4 key value in array. I think I can do this. So click tower 1. Oh, god damn it. You have to set a variable. Because click is not an expression-based thing. And it's a... Oh god, AHK is a 1-based index, so I have to do that too. I don't know if this is any cleaner than what I was doing before, but I hope so. Anytime there's random clicks, I like to leave a comment for what it's for, but like this is a random click right now. So place gem in towers, place gem in amplifiers. We need this for that. Okay, we'll try this. I'll say we'll put a sleep 100 in here. We'll put a sleep 100 in here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here. If this game buffers well, this might go really goodly. Yeah, goodly. In the game, I'm going to start the script. So now I should be able to hit tilde and watch something happen. So this is the first time I'm running the script. Okay, we have a massive problem already. There is not enough time for that to come up. Into the code again we go. This is like a sleep 1000, to be honest. Alright, let's run this again. Alright, don't blink. Dude, it did not like those clicks. Checking the code again. This worked great. It did not click on all the spots. Yeah, I'm 100% positive those don't have to be capitalized. I guess I'll do a printout. And just kind of see what happens. I also can significantly reduce this, so we'll make it be 4,000. And I can probably get away with like 800 here. Let's make those changes and read the printouts. Actually, I can test this by just moving this up here. Okay. It doesn't like that. Oh my god, that's the key. This is gonna work, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. Alright, well, that problem solved. So we just forgot to put the index. So we fixed the looping issue. Run the script. Oh my god. Yes! Let's go. That was a sight to behold. Now we just have to figure out when to upgrade, which is definitely going to be confusing me. We'll just say sleep 600,000 and upgrade. Now we're going to have to deal with mouse movements. So we have to move our mouse over the gem and then press the U key. So before I get too deep into this, let's review what mouse move does. XY coordinates, speed, we want that to be 0. We'll say 0, and then sleep, we'll say sleep 25. Send U, sleep 25. And we'll do that for towers, and we'll do that for amplifiers. I'm so happy about this intro, though. I actually want to try to squeeze even more performance out of this because it looks so cool. Oh, I didn't do the gem retargeting. either. That's actually not good. Nice. Mouse moves were not there. I forgot to initialize X and Y. Classic mistake. We also need to do gem retargeting in my setup. So you right click on the gem, drag down to the bottom left. We need to loop through all of the towers now that they've been placed. And click right down. I think that's right. Sleep 100. Mouse move. So we need Y to go negative. No, Y to increase, X to decrease. So X is X plus 25. Y is Y plus 25. No. X is minus. Increase in Y, decrease in X. And then sleep 100 again. Let's see how this does. I forgot to click up. Okay. Yeah, click upright is what I need. Honestly, I think AutoHotkey like just lets you do it in whatever hell order you want to. Yes, look at that. Auto selection of priority. Just with some simple mouse downs and clicks. What's wrong with my code, though? Oh my god. Got it. Tower should have been amplifier. Hashtag copy and paste. Why are the shadows just not dying? I swear to god that was not the case before. Okay, so once I got the grade up, it takes care of the shadows. Okay, so instead, I'm going to do sleep 2500 after all of these. And just see if I can pull that off. We're just gonna upgrade everything one at a time until it's all done. It does look like it's going a wee bit. Yeah, it's slightly too fast. So instead of actually kind of calculating when to upgrade, we're just going to do it every second, every time. And we'll just loop that forever, and then we'll find an exit point, probably with an image detect at the end of the level, whether you've been defeated or you won. We would want to exit out in that situation. All right, let's go again. All right, here's my 1 second constantly upgrading everything in action. It looks like it's doing pretty good, evenly upgrading so far. Because remember, every upgrade is a double in the mana cost. You do, unfortunately, lose priority upgrading in the middle gym, which has access to 4 of the amplifiers, but I really don't think it's going to be a big deal overall. We got this in the bag, though. All grade 8s by level 70. Uh-oh. What happened here? Alright, let's try going for grade 3 off the bat. And this might change a lot of things, but I think we'll be okay. So we're going to upgrade Tower 1 twice. And then we're going to send you to upgrade it twice. And we're going to do that right at the start of the game. We're going to do that even before the game starts. And then after that, we're UUing across the board for a little bit, and then we're into it. All right. This might be a wee bit quick, but I want to see. Yeah, this looks fine. So I do get a wee bit more gem damage out of this. I want to see if I struggle anymore now with a couple extra points in special power. It still felt like it was pretty close, though, to be honest. Let's screenshot back to the map. And we'll try to image detect with back to the map. Now we need to die and see what the image for back to the map looks like, if it's similar or different. Unfortunately, it's kind of hard to die. Yeah, it still says back to the map, so that's good. All right, I've got my detect image function. The best function in the entire AHK universe. Yep, now I make one big giant loop. Once we detect it, we actually can click found X and found Y. And then once I've clicked it, what happens when you click back to the map? So back to the map. I'll say we'll wait like 3 seconds and then loop the whole thing again. Am I ready to try the Ultra Omega loop? The loop everything loop. We've already made 140 lines of AHK loop. All right, come on, image detect. Come on, image detect. It got it. Oh, it needed to wait more. Crap. All right, we'll put a 5,000 sleep there instead. Wow, that was so close. This is a great frag, too. Yeah, it's plus to all skill levels. That's an amazing frag. Yeah, let's just try it out again. So I've added an extra sleep to the end, so hopefully it'll cycle again. All right, let's go for the refresh. I'm waiting for bated breath. Yes! We got the cycle. I'm so happy about this. Come on, detect it. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, that's amazing. Before I end the video, I wanted to give an update on how the script's been going for me. So it's the next day. I ran it a bunch the night I finished it because I was really excited. And I tried to leave it overnight, and actually my talisman container got totally full and it wouldn't let you go into the next battle. So that was an epic fail, and I didn't really add anything to clear out the talisman bag. And it's been really successful for me. So I've gotten some rarity 100 frags. I mean, like thousands and thousands and thousands of shadow cores. Like I've probably done the loop over 100 times by now to get it this far. And I'm not even done yet. It's, you know, as I continue to collect more and more of these, it's going to take more and more runs. So I don't know when I'm going to get bored and not run the bot anymore, but I'm super happy about how this came out. I will say, if you want to follow along at home and try to do this for your own GemCraft game, I'll have the script that I used in the description, but it's going to heavily be different depending on what your exact gem setup is. And in fact, for me, as I leveled up and got extra talismans to give me initial mana, more ability to spend my points on skills, I was actually able to increase my battle traits. So now I added strength in numbers and I max swarmling and giant domination now. Pretty much the exact same wizard level. All of this was just with the talisman bonuses, initial mana bonus, and +1 to all skills. I've got like 18 of those by now with this script. That's it for this one. Check out the rest of my channel if you want to see more automation scripts and tutorials like this one. See ya.